Niner, Bravo, Romeo, pilot incapacitation. 2 miles south of Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie, emergency auto land in 19 minutes on runway 30 right at Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie.
Currently about, the computer's estimating to be on the ground here in a few minutes, and they are doing RLM procedures. We are expecting them to kind of stop on the runway.
4-7 Niner, Bravo, Romeo, pilot incapacitation. 7 miles southeast of Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie, emergency auto land in 13 minutes on runway 30 right at Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie. November 4-7 Niner, Bravo, Romeo, pilot incapacitation. 5 miles southeast of Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie, emergency auto land in 9 minutes on runway 30 right at Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie. Aircraft November 4-7 Niner, Bravo, Romeo, pilot incapacitation. 6 miles southeast of Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie, emergency auto land in 4 minutes on runway 30 right at Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie.
Niner Metro Tower, if you can hear me, any runway, clear to land. Wind 350 at 6, altimeter 3000.
November 4-7 Niner, Bravo, Romeo, pilot incapacitation. 2 miles southeast of Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie, emergency auto land in less than 1 minute on runway 30 right at Kilo, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie.
Cessna 83, Christian Cessna 589 Metro Tower. The airport is currently closed. Suggest either Boulder or Erie for your landing. I'm not sure an ETA on when it's going to be back open.
At least 30 minutes.
70 X-ray, affirmative, no ETA, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. We're not quite sure at this point.